I'm here with Enable in conjunction with Battersea Park Comedy Festival, and we're here to look at performance and public speaking. So I think they'd just come in from lunch, so they were kind of like, what's going on? They weren't too sure. By the end of it, I think they really came out of their shells. They were so excited about doing the performances, and they were definitely mingling with different people, which was lovely to see.
My favourite part was walking down whilst all my friends were cheering me on.
Can you show me a bit of your clown?
My favourite part of the workshop was when we made our own scene.
We tried to boost our confidence, talking into crowds and stuff.
At the beginning they were sort of mumbling under their breaths, and by the end of it, they were really using those performance techniques. But there was definitely some standout performances. By the end they've got a performance and they're loving it, and they're sort of being larger than life, and you can see that they're enjoying it, and I think that's when I know I've done my job right, when they're all smiling and having a good time.